Europe's rivers and coastal areas are, in all probability, being affected by climate change. The projects Wave and Alpha are taking measures to protect land because if nothing is done, the southern part of England, for instance, will be flooded by the end of this century. This is shown in a computer animation created by Somerset County Council. The animation is used in education as part of the Wave project. Action is being taken in Molenbeek in the Flemish part of Belgium.
Well, the goal of this project is to prevent the more downstream areas along the Molenbeek where we are standing here, to prevent those areas from flooding. We had in the past a lot of problems with flooding, and the goal is to retain water in this area on a controlled manner. We do that by building a dike perpendicular on the valley itself with a outlet construction. In normal circumstances, water flows through it, but when we notice high levels of water, the valve in the outlet construction will rise and water will be retained in this area.
Using the capacities of nature itself is the motto of this endeavour. It combines action and information on the German river Rur.
What we can see here is a part of the river Rur, and we have put large pieces of deadwood into the Rur. In this case, these are poplars which have been fit for cutting, and we have found them here, and then we put them into the river, and we expect certain effects by putting them into the river. One of the effects is that we change the river current, and by this changing of the river current we initiate a process of natural self-development of the river. And another effect is, by doing this, we create a bigger biodiversity in the river.
French rivers such as the Seine and the Yvonne are the focus of attention of Saint-Grand-Lac, the French partner of Project Alpha. This area risks being flooded when climate change induces heavy rains.
Alors, ce qui va se passer, c'est qu'un modèle de prévision des crues de Lyon.
A special mechanism will show the maximum water level of the Yvonne and Seine rivers. When the peak is reached, a maximum of 55 million cubic meters of water from the Seine will be pumped into adjacent riverbeds.
Commun de Lyon et de la Seine, et on va pomper jusqu'à 55 millions de mètres cubes au moment le plus opportun.
Climate change is a problem Europe is faced with in many ways. Common action among the 6 partners in 5 northwest European countries is attempting to prevent the scenario envisaged in this animation from becoming reality.